Hello everyone and welcome to the Fintelligent Investor channel. I am CA Pratiksha Pai. In the past few days, the news has made a lot of headlines which says that India has added 1 billionaire in every 5 days in the year 2023. This data is given out by the Hurun India Rich List 2024. Now, what is this list? Who is the latest richest person in India? Who is the youngest person on this list? Who are the youngest billionaires on this list, and who are the notable people whom you and I may be knowing who have entered this list. Let us understand all of this. This is going to be a very exciting video. Let's dive in. As per the Hurun India Rich List of 2024, it is being said that the number of billionaires in India has reached a new milestone and touched a record high. The Hurun India Rich List is basically the annual rankings of the billionaires and high net worth individuals in India. It gives an estimated net worth and the sources of wealth of these billionaires and high net worth individuals basically. Hurun report actually gives out global rankings, and it also does lists country wise and region wise. And based on the Hurun India Rich List of 2024, the founder of Hurun report says that India continues to score gold in the wealth creation Olympics because as per the Hurun India Rich List of 2024, the number of billionaires in India has touched a record high. Now, before we go ahead, let me clarify that by billionaires, we mean to say the US dollar billionaires. Now, a billion is 100 crores, and here we are talking about people whose net worth has exceeded 100 crore US dollars. Now, 1 USD is equal to 83.98 rupees, or let us say 84 rupees. So, we are talking about individuals whose net worth has exceeded 8,400 crore rupees, if we tell in INR terms. Now, as per this report, the total number of billionaires in India has crossed 300 for the first time, and now we have 334 billionaires as compared to 259 in the previous year. So there has been an increase of 75 people who have entered the billionaire list, which means by calculation, India has added 1 billionaire in every 5 days in the year 2023. Now, one interesting thing to note here is that there are the top 20 sectors which have been considered while doing this list. Each of these sectors has added a new face to this list. So see, basically one of the ideas behind doing this list is to see the direction in which an economy is moving, whether the wealth creation is concentrated or diversified, which regions or which sectors are contributing to wealth creation, etc., to make a study of this. And now it is being seen that the top 20 sectors which have been considered, each of these sectors has added a new face, a new person to the billionaire list, and basically to the Hurun India Rich List. That means that there is a good development happening in almost all the sectors, and there is a good diversification of wealth creation when it is coming to it. This is a very good thing because we can see that there is no wealth concentration in a particular sector, and there is a proper wealth distribution as well. Next important thing is that as per this list, 18 people on this list, the top 18 people on this list have a net worth that exceeds 1 trillion rupees. 1 trillion means 1 lakh crore. So 18 people on this list, 18 people in our country have a net worth in excess of 1 lakh crore. Another thing brought out by this list is that India has emerged as a key player in wealth creation in Asia. As per this list, India, the number of billionaires in India has increased by 29%. Now, this is good because in comparison to other countries, especially in our neighboring country China, saw a decline of 25% in the number of billionaires. So compared somewhere to the world economy, India is doing better because we have added more billionaires, whereas many other countries would have seen a decline. Moving ahead, this list is not just for billionaires. As I said, billionaires is 8,300 crore rupees. But this is the Hurun India Rich List, and they include all those individuals whose net worth is in excess of 1000 crore rupees. So whoever's net worth is in excess of 1000 crore rupees automatically makes it to this list. And in this year, 1539 individuals have been in this list whose net worth is in excess of 1000 crores. So basically 1539 rich Indians are there in this list, which is an increase of 220 people as compared to the previous year. So many people would have come in, some would have gone out because of a decline in their net worth, and net 220 people have been added as compared to the last year. Now when we sometimes think how come a net worth can decline, etc., try to understand this net worth basically is made on the basis of the shareholding, startup valuations, etc. So that is where the value of the holdings these people have in various investments is also considered. So it is but natural that sometimes some people may see a decline in their net worth due to various reasons if the value of their investments and holdings go down. So net it is an increase of 20 people, and out of these 1539 people who are on this list, 534 people have been classified as high net worth individuals whose net worth exceeds 5000 crore rupees. Now if you remember, I said there are 334 billionaires, but we are saying there are 534 people whose net worth has increased, is in excess of 5000 crore rupees. So this basically means that around 200 people are in the have their net worth in the range of 5000 to 8400 crores, and there is a high possibility that next year these individuals might also get into the billionaire list. So yes, the 534 people have a net worth exceeding 5000 crores in our country, and this list includes people from diverse backgrounds. As I said, a lot of sectors were also included, and the people in this list are from diverse backgrounds. There are family run businesses, there are startup founders, there are private equity investors, there are angel investors, there are even some film stars, which we will discuss, who have made it to this list. One more very interesting thing to note is that a maximum almost 65% or as much as 1008 individuals out of 1539 individuals on this list are self-made, which means they have not inherited this wealth, but they have made it by themselves. So this is a very good pointer or direction in which the economy is moving, wherein people are able to create wealth in this economy. Further, the wealth creation in India has now become much more decentralized and widespread. What I mean to say is, the 1539 people on this list whose net worth exceeds 1000 crore rupees, these people come from 97 cities. When Hurun India Rich List was started in the year 2012, the total number of rich people came from just 10 cities. Maybe bigger cities like Mumbai, Delhi, Chennai, Bangalore, etc. But now, out of the 1539 people who are there on this list, they come from 97 cities, which goes to show that even the smaller cities basically are contributing towards wealth creation and towards creating individuals who are rich, who are ultra rich, and who have a net worth exceeding 1000 crores. And finally, the richest person in India is Gautam Adani, who tops this list with a net worth of 11,61,800 crore rupees. And on position 2 is Mukesh Ambani, not very far behind, but just there with 10,14,700 crore rupees. And these are the only two people on this list whose wealth has crossed 10 lakh crore rupees. On third position is Shiv Nadar with the 3.14 lakh crore rupees, and followed by Cyrus Poonawalla with 2.89 lakh crore rupees. Now, just to give you some statistics, out of the 1539 people on this rich list, 1334 people saw their wealth either increase or remain the same, whereas 205 individuals saw a decline in their wealth. So as I said, sometimes the value of investments goes up and down. So 205 individuals saw a small decline in their wealth, whereas 1334 saw an increase in their wealth. But despite the ups and downs, these all made it within that 1539 people who are on the rich list. Now 272 new people have been added to this rich list this year, whereas 45 people have been dropped from the list. So as I said, net around 220 people have increased. So there is a 272 people have joined in newly into this list, whereas 45 people got dropped out of this list. Now the youngest person on this rich list is Kaivalya Vohra, the founder of Zepto, which we all use in our day-to-day lives, and he has an estimated wealth of 3,600 crore rupees. The youngest billionaires in India are Harshil Mathur and Shashank Kumar. They are aged just 33, whereas Kaivalya Vohra is 21, but Harshil Mathur and Shashank Kumar, they are 33 years old, and they are founders of Razorpay, and they are the youngest billionaires in India. Coming forward now to see who are those notable people who have made it to the list. If you are a Bollywood enthusiast, then you would love to know that Shah Rukh Khan, Juhi Chawla, Hrithik Roshan, Karan Johar and Amitabh Bachchan have also entered the rich list and made their debut on the Hurun India Rich List. So these were some of the facts in the Hurun India Rich List 2024. I hope it was exciting and interesting to know more about this. And as we can see, a lot of statistics tell a lot about how the economy is going. As we saw, 534 people have their net worth above 5,000 crores, which is just 200 people who are in the range of 5,000 crore to 8,400 crore, which is $1 billion. And this goes to show that next year we might see more additions to the number of billionaires in India. And I hope this video was exciting and interesting for you as well. If you liked this video, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you next time with another interesting video. Goodbye.